Tony, on the rim of that little crater, as I walked through there, there was underneath the regolith, there was a white area. I kicked up some very white soil about 3 centimeters down. I forgot the camera.
Roger.
Bring it. Hey, Charlie, I got it. Okay. I get it. Let me have it. Whoa, Charlie. Huh? How's that? Watch out for those cables. Peter. Okay. I am. It's pretty good. Okay, Tony, I put stuck the Geophone stake in by just pushing on it about a foot. Y'all better think about that 2/10 cone penetration at stop 10. Looks like the 5 would be the best all the way out. So I think I'll just go right up to the hilt with the 2.
Okay, we copy.
What's that, Charlie? Okay, I was just waiting to get the dumb heat thing. John, things just stand up. The wires, everything just stands up off the ground about 6 inches here. What? Never thought of that. We should never thought of that. Okay, I got it. It's gonna be the trick of the week. Did it, Charlie? Oh, he's got the Geophone in the ground. He's got it buried in the ground. Thumper. Okay, this is going to be a lot easier than carrying that big other backpack. Keep an eye on me, Charlie. I got you. Okay, now I'm going out parallel these tracks. Okay, let me make sure. Okay. You want the hammer? No, go ahead. I just want to... You don't need the hammer. We don't need the hammer. I know it. The other stake is over there. Oh, okay. In the pallet? Yeah. Okay, I get it. Sound like the camera remoting. Yeah. Make sure that it's not pulling too hard on that wire back there. No, it's great, John.
Yeah, Charlie, I think you need a camera.
Yeah, I'm going to get one. I'll go run get it now. Okay. Charlie, watch and see where this line comes out. Okay, I better do that, Tony. I'll get the camera.
Okay, fine.
Just a minute, okay?
No hurry.
We know we need a... Okay, you're walking a little bit sideways, John. You're pulling against it with your left side. There you go. Looking good, John. The Geophone's still in, and the stake is looking good.
Roger. Looks good. We have the ASE on warming up right now. We're going to high bit right here in about 3 or 4 more minutes.
Okay. Going great. Don't lose the average guy doesn't realize how far 100 meters is. Know it. Especially me.
Roger, 2 inches at a time like that, it's a long way.
The footprints in the moon. Can't believe it.
Oh, that's all right. They'll probably erode away in about 4 billion
The
years.
regolith, What's that, Charlie? What's what? That thing hanging up there. No, it's okay. Man, that's a long way, John. Stake is still up. Okay. Keep going. Hey, there's the double one. There's the double one. Run around and get in front of you here. Here they come. Here they come. Here we are. Okay, here we are. Right. Got it? Wait a minute. Okay. Try we have to put that in before we put the stake in. Yeah, I can't do it anything until I get that in. Come on. That's what? Beautiful, Charlie. Okay, that one's buried too, Tony. Charlie buries the geophones.
Okay.
Pull it out
way.
this way, so. No, that's right. No, you want it this way, don't you? That's right. Yeah. Not so hard. Why? I'll cut the line. Oh, no, it's all right. You're right about that. All right. Get the flag over so we can see. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to get a camera. Y'all set? Yep. Watch out. You got it crooked, John. Whoop. Right here on this side. You're right. Yeah, okay, there you go. Thank you. Yes, sir. About to get it again. There you go. Okay, the stake's holding fine. Adios. Adios. The far cry from that, Hey, John, you gotta wait. They gotta change out your air hose. Early. Where's the... Hey, Tony, where's the Bendix air compressors?
Yeah, it doesn't look right with them not out there.
I'll tell you, this 1.6 gravity feels a lot better. Tony, when I first started with that jack, I thought the thing, ground was so soft, I thought the thing had failed like it did in the last training, but it had not. It just worked great.
Outstanding.
How about that pace, huh? Come in.
Flight level.
Go.
New constraint lines up on channel 64. I've given it to
Well, I'll say one thing. The force to deploy this thing I can sense
Okay, that says
is exactly the same as it was in 1G.
6 + 30.
I keep wondering when the power wire's going to bust.
It's still a 7-hour in time.
Roger.
Okay, Tony, I have LMP's camera.
Okay. Flight experiment. Go ahead.
The back of
Confirm, if we could, that Charlie cap both
the
ends
bottom of
the
the bed is with Bravo. And I'm going back out and take some pictures.
Okay.
John has disappeared over the horizon.
Is that right?
Say again, Mike?
You only copied one cap there?
We're not sure.
John, how about an EMU status? Check your, you pull out your pin on your purge valve. I'm doing okay. MD 50, 60, 73%. What read. Okay, well you still must be locked.
We copy, flight.
John, we got an outstanding signal here. It looks great.
Okay. It's taking the ground. Number 3, Houston. I'm steady. Four, three, two, one, fire.
Oh, you got a beauty there, John.
Okay, Charlie. Okay.
Beauty there, John.
Flight experiments. Go ahead. I wonder if we could get
Number 4,
Charlie
Houston.
to look at that cable for those questions. He's up there right now. All right, we'll see about that.
4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Hey, Capcom, why don't you see if you can get Charlie to talk about the cable?
Charlie, when you get a minute there, we got a couple questions.
Go ahead.
We'd like you to look at the end of that heat flow cable that was broken off and tell us how far from the heat central station it broke, and also describe the end of the broken cable, if you can get that in between when John's walking.
Hey, John, stand by a minute. Let me stand up here. Okay, Charlie, number 5, Houston. You ready to hold still, Charlie? No, wait a minute. Let me get up, and I'll hold still. Okay, go ahead. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Sound doesn't travel too good in the vacuum. I don't hear a thing, but it jumps. Okay, Charlie. Well, I'm the next station now. Okay, Tony, I'm going to be still, John, so you just go ahead. Okay, number 6. Uh, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Okay, Tony, the cable is broken off right at the connector. And it's there's about an inch and a half of silver material right in my hand at the end of the broken piece. And as I look at the cable, it's right at the connector, rather. It's right at the connector, broken off right there. Over.
Okay, we copy that.
Number 7, Houston.
How does the connector look? Is there any damage on it?
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Tony, there's no damage on the connector, over.
Okay.
Number 8, Houston. Four, 3, 2, 1, fire. Okay, am I holding still long enough?
That's affirmative, flight. That's good.
Yep.
Number 9, Houston. Four, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Okay.
Tony, as I look up the Smoky Mountain, you can see some large blocks up on the flank of Smoky Mountain. On the face, it's the side next to the south North Ray Crater. Number 10, Houston. Four, three, two, one, fire. Hey, Tony, did you get my question about am I holding still long enough?
Yes, you're holding still long enough.
Okay. You moving, John?
Yeah.
Okay. Houston, answer me, do you want me to do one by the Geophone, or did I skip that one? The central Geophone. There's a white thing by it.
Affirmative, right by the central geophone we want.
Yes.
The one right by the central geophone, yes, we do want.
Okay.
The one we don't want is just a little bit beyond it, you know. That's all.
The one we don't want is the next one along the cable.
This black.
Yeah, okay, I remember now. Wait a minute, John. Okay. Okay. Houston. 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Okay, we're sure getting good signals here, John.
Okay, the next one we skipped because it's got a black wire on it. Okay, number 12, Houston. Four, three, two, one, fire. Number 13, Houston. Four, three, two, one, fire. It's firing, babe, I'll tell you. Bet. Get me all dirty.
Great. Oh, not great, just getting you dirty. Great, it's working.
Okay, Tony, one of the arms of the LSM, when I pull the sunshade, the arm to the northwest, is not locked. Well, lock it, Charlie. How you do that? By pushing down?
Charlie, they don't lock.
No, it
That's not
doesn't arm.
experiments. It's not supposed to
They
lock.
don't lock. Well, I can't unravel this sunshade. It pulls up the arms.
Leave it the way it is then, fine.
Go ahead.
I'll leave the sunshade on.
Okay.
Okay, if you can't get that out there, just leave the sunshade down.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, number 15, Houston.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Flight experiments.
Go ahead.
They'd like to leave the sunshade as is.
Okay, Capcom, let's have Charlie leave that sunshade alone.
Charlie, I guess we'd just like you to leave that sunshade alone. Just let it hang there.
I got it. It was wrapped around a couple of times. I didn't touch the bit level. It's okay.
Okay.
Wait a minute, John. Okay. Okay, number 16, Houston. Four, three, two, one, fire. Okay. Okay, number 17, Houston. Just a minute, John. Ready, Charlie? Yeah, go ahead. Okay, number 17 again, Houston.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Okay.
And Charlie, while you're taking the pictures and all, verify the area around the central station is policed up.
Okay, I will. Number 18, Houston. Four, three, two, one, fire.
And we're still getting good signals.
Okay. Coming up on the last one. And I see the black thing that's skipping that one. Going up here by the central station.
Okay, Flight, we're going to want them to stand still after they fire that last one until we get a kill in.
They're fired at the white line next to the first Geophone.
Copy that, Capcom.
Okay, and after you fire this one, we'd like you to stand still until we give you a go.
All right. Wait a minute, John. Okay, go ahead. Okay, Houston, last one. 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Mark it at 05. Okay, Flight, we got it in there. It's good.
Okay.
Okay, you can go.
You gotta be kidding. Okay. Was the signal reverberating that long?
Right. It really rings down.
All finished. Good show. Tony, ain't there some way we can fix that heat flow?
Looks pretty bad there, Charlie. We suggest you just not worry about it there. You've got a good ALSEP, and the other experiments are working fine.
Well, that... all those hours. Okay. We got all the pictures, except for the ones John's supposed to take of the mortar package. And I'm skipping the heat flow ones.
ALSEP,
and we're up to magazine, we're 100 and, 102 on, 101 on magazine alpha.
Okay.
Okay. Gonna get the hockey stick, John. Okay, I'm gonna get switch 5 count to clockwise here to face the beast.
Okay, Charlie, do you have that pin in John's suit yet?
Going to get it right now.
Okay.
Coming your way.
All right, see you coming.
What's the heart rate when I'm going like this, Tony? About 10.
Okay, you're going about 110 right now.
Really? Thank you. Well, what's mine?
John, you're about 80.
That figures. See that right there, Tony?
Yep, sure do.
Okay, the old central station is all cleaned up.
Good show.
Junk is gone somewhere. Did you see what I held just in front of the camera, Tony?
Yeah, we sure did.
It was a solid piece of glass, spherical. And part of it's broken away, but it really most unique piece of glass I've ever seen in all the samples. I think.
Outstanding, Charlie. I thought you had the ball on that OPS or that purge key.
No, it's a solid piece of glass.
Fantastic.
Flight.
And it was right out here by the
Yeah, we can confirm that switch
drill.
5 did do its function. It put us back into AS Edams standby, so it's working.
Say it again.
Yeah, we can confirm that switch number 5
Okay, wait a minute.
is
Let me
working
get
like
this
it
thing
said
in, and
during
I'll go back and
Oh, all right.
start on that heat flow. I mean, can you step away so I don't get these cables? What is it you want to do? I got to get this in. Oh. Gosh, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Do it, is what I'd like to know. Manual dexterity test of the year. I bet when I undid my seatbelt, I pulled it off. Probably. I bet you $100. Okay, Tony, that is back in, Commander.
Good show.
These rover tracks are amazing. They're just barely... Oh, heck. Yeah. All right, guys, Houston, even though we were over the hill, the thing is within about a foot of being lined up.
Outstanding, John.
And for the geophone to be in the same line, it'll have to go with a sun angle of 333.
Okay.
I mean the Thumper package, excuse me. Well, that beauty almost didn't want to come loose, Tony. We got it.
Charlie, what was the cap on the bottom end? We missed that.
Baker.
Okay.
Dog full, Tony.
Outstanding.
Okay, Brett. Delta and Baker on the bottom. You're losing a little bit out of the third section here. Get the cap on. And Echo is on the bottom of the third section. Over.
Okay, we copy that.
Yeah, trick of the week. Getting this wrench over here. Oh. Am I in focus right here, Tony?
Yeah, you look fine.
That's amazing. That camera is so good.
The lens must be like a pinhole camera.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go put the stobs, these cores back out there. Well, I'm unable to get one of the legs of the motor package deployed here for some reason. Okay, Tony, you want me to save the drill?
Yeah, why don't you just leave it sitting there?
In case you guys come up with something?
Flight experiments.
Go ahead.
There's still, there's going to be a meeting after the LSEP
Okay.
deployment to try to see what they can do with the train hardware, but there's nothing that we can give anybody now.
Okay.
Boy, am I filthy here. Okay, John, I'm going to start configuring over here for some geology. Okay. And I'll be there as soon as I can, sir. Put your bags on, and et cetera, et cetera. Houston, I can see why I can't deploy this third leg, but I can't seem to do anything about it. Would you take 2 out of 3 legs? You want me to come help, John? Well, Charlie, it's a question. I can't get this pin around this angle in here. It's just, I mean, I don't know how it got the way it is, but unless I got it around the angle, it won't deploy.
You know which leg it was? It wouldn't come.
Which leg was it, John?
The third leg on the mortar pallet. You take 3 out of 4.
Well, if it won't come out, I guess we're stuck with it.
Well, I don't see any way with my gloves. And,
Flight EVA, that
if
won't
I
bother
took my
us.
gloves off, I could get it out, but
Just
I ain't
forget
going
it
that
won't.
far.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, we'll just go with 3, John.
Sure I can't help, John? No, there's nothing you can do. Unless we can pull it, it won't come out. And there's no way to pull it without a without a screwdriver. Well, we ain't got one of those, so. Work. They ought to be satisfied with that. They're ready.
Yeah, John, we're satisfied with 3. Let's just go with that.
Okay. It's going in the ground at 333.
Experiments flight. Go ahead. Have you guys got any ideas on a heading for your first traverse stop?
Okay, that's good. First heading to is 274, and we'll get a station depart pad.
Okay.
Okay, the mortar pallet is in and flat, and the level is still. No.
Light tone.
Go ahead.
Since Charlie slowed down, we picked up
Now
about
about
12
three.
minutes on his lifetime.
Good.
We
330.
keep him lower like that. We'll pick up some more probably.
Okay, John.
Okay, Tony, I'm going to get a couple of grab samples out here in front of the rover about 15 feet. Look like typical rocks that are in this area. One of them's, they're mostly dust covered here, but I can pick up a couple that are whitish, and I'll get a couple of crow suns before.
Sounds good, Charlie.
Okay. Order package is in place. Oh dear. The mortar package pallet is level. The mortar package is not quite level. It's just off the edge of being level.
Okay, understand the bubble is free of the case, though?
Yeah, it is.
That's fine. Then.
Amazingly enough. Okay, I'm going to raise the radio antenna. Red flag.
Charlie, you might want to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, my problem was I fell down. When this camera on, it's hard to get up. I'm okay.
Okay.
I can't believe how full of holes this place is. Joe come in. You got the camera, Charlie? No, it's on the central station. Oh, yeah. I remember last time we put it on the central station, and it collapsed. And I figured you left it over at the car. Okay, bag 351, Tony has got a grab sample.
Okay, and John,
And I won't even take an after for you, never.
After taking pictures of the motor package there, we'd like a picture of that last thump imprint.
Ready?
I'm sorry, Charlie, go ahead.
My first rock. I just saying my first rock. Even though I had to fall down to get it.
Experience?
Go ahead.
At the core recovery, normal time for core recovery, that CDR takes a pan. I was wondering, do you guys know if they've actually done that yet? After the mortar package.
They've taken a pan?
Yeah. The one
The
that comes
CDR?
out. Yes.
No,
Hey,
he hasn't,
Tony, I'm taking his lens brush and cleaning off his camera.
He's probably getting ready to do that now.
Okay.
Okay.
Apparently this camera here's kind of dusty. Yeah, I think it's just the outside, huh? I looked at the lens, it looks clean. Yeah. I think this one. Hey, the lenses, this one's clean too. Good. Can't believe it's dirt. Okay, what settings you want on that?
Cross run on it. Normal cross run.
Want to stay up there?
That'd be fine.
Fine. Okay. Patio orange just went down wrong. Honey, I'm going over this crater and get you some of this white soil. I think it's coming off of this rock here, but it looks like caliche. I never thought I'd use that word up here, but that's what the coating looks like. It's right here.